the smartphone you carry in your pocket every day, capable of folding screens, retractable cameras, and increasingly slim designs, relies on a key hero behind the scenes, FPC, or flexible printed circuit boards. Unlike rigid traditional circuit boards, FPCs bend, fold, and conform to complex shapes, serving as the invisible flexible skeleton inside phones. Without them, many cutting-edge smartphone technologies simply wouldn't exist. Take foldable phones, the most talked about innovation. How does the screen withstand repeated bending without breaking? The secret lies in the FPC beneath the display. It flexes with the screen's angle while reliably transmitting signals, ensuring touch and display functions remain intact at the fold. Traditional rigid circuit boards would shatter at the slightest bend, rendering foldables disposable. Next, consider the phone's aesthetic highlight: its slim profile. As smartphones grow thinner, internal space becomes more precious than a fingernail. Here, FPC's flexibility shines. It conforms to irregular shapes like batteries, cameras, and chips, fittings into every nook and cranny without the bulk of rigid circuit boards. Take the camera module, for instance. Whether it's a single lens or a multi-lens setup, fixed or retractable, FPC connects all components. This saves space without compromising functionality. The phone's dynamic features also rely on FPC support. Take side-mounted fingerprint sensors. FPCs bend into arcs to conform to the phone's frame. Similarly, FPCs maintain stable signal transmission through the minute vibrations of phone motors, ensuring precise haptic feedback for notifications. Even the signal transfer for charging ports and headphone jacks relies on FPCs working behind the scenes. Crucially, FPCs are also remarkably durable, despite its flexible appearance. A special protective layer on its surface enables it to withstand daily minor impacts and temperature fluctuations. Moreover, its signal transmission speed and stability are on par with rigid circuit boards. In high-end smartphones today, the use of FPCs continues to grow. From the display to the camera, from sensors to chips, it acts as the phone's nervous system, connecting all components to ensure smooth operation. As smartphones grow smarter, FPC's role continues to evolve. Future rollable screens and wearable devices will require even more flexible, lightweight FPCs to support their designs. Next time you pick up your phone, consider this: the foldable, the slim and responsive experience you enjoy is powered by this invisible flexible framework working behind the scenes.